a word that is commonly used in car clubs or car groups to pertain to a certain car that is beautiful but is daily driven. They use the word daily driver. Daily driver. This car is a daily driver. And everybody goes, wow! And it gets a lot of likes. So when you say daily driver, it pertains really to a person, not the car. So if you read that this car is a daily driver, there's something wrong with that. A driver pertains to a car. And the car is driven. The car doesn't drive for itself. The car doesn't drive by itself. So when you say daily driven, it should pertain to the car. And daily driver doesn't need to pertain to a car because daily driver is a living thing. Daily driver. Okay? Daily driver is a person, and when you say daily driver, the person drives daily. And if you say daily driven, the car is driven daily. Okay? So don't use the word daily driver to a car when it can't drive by itself. Okay? I know I'm going in circles here, but I like to point out that daily driver is a person driving a car daily, and daily driven is a car that's being driven daily by a driver. A car needs a driver. A car doesn't drive by itself. Okay? Peace out. Drive safely. Drive responsibly. Dashcam Journals. We out.